What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're drawing the corpse husband skin from Among Us. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw in the ear. We'll start right in the middle, start with a curve that goes up, and we'll bend that out towards the left. And then from the top, it's going to come down, round out the ear, and then pull that in. And then we'll bend the left side of the ear coming down towards the teeth. Just going to round this out, and then come down. Let's go back up to the top, step up, curve the head going out, down, and then bend that in towards the same height. Let's add 4 half circles around the base of the head. We're starting on the outside, we're going to go up and then down, go to the right, do the same thing. I'm going to add 2 more on the inside. Now we're going to add the teeth along the bottom, starting from this outside point. Curve down, and then up, and we'll connect each of the points with that half oval. Let's add the eye in the center of the head, starting just underneath the ear, curve out, down, and then in, and leave it overlap along the outside and the bottom, stepping in, curve around, and then back up. Let's move back up and add the fold inside the ear. We start along the bottom, curve up, and then out, step up from the bottom, curve out, and up towards the side. Now we want to layer the visor in behind. Let's start at the very top of the head, curve up, and bend that down, come down towards the bottom, just beside the teeth, go out, and then up. Connect the top and bottom with the curve. We're just going to round up the visor, and then pull that back in. Let's go to the top right side of the visor and tuck the head in behind the ear. Start up here, curve up, and then bend that out. And then we'll continue on the left side of the ear, curve the body going out, down, and then just bend that in towards the bottom of the feet. Let's go underneath the visor on the right side, draw the body coming straight down. I'm just going to bend that in towards the same height that we have on the left. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting back on the left, curve down, and then up, go to the right side, do the same thing, and leave a gap in between the feet. Now we go to the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up towards the body, and we'll curve the body going out towards the right, and then we'll bend that up, go to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Let's add the backpack on the left side. We start from the top, curve this out, and then down, come down towards the bottom, go out and then up, and then we'll connect the top and bottom with that same curve of the body, going out, down, and then in. Let's add a shadow across the backpack and the body. We'll start from the top left, curve up and in, and then from the inside we'll step up, curve the shadow coming down, across the body, and then just bend that back up on the right side. Now we're going to add some blood splatter along the bottom of the feet and the backpack. Let's start on the outside, curve in and then down, curve up and then in, and then along the top we'll add a small circle. Let's move down to the left side of the leg, curve up and then down, draw a small half circle, go up and then down, and curve that in towards the inside of the leg. Let's move over towards the right leg, curve in and then down, go up and down, and then bend that up and out towards the right side. Let's add a few more splatters along the bottom, starting at the top, one small circle, add a slightly larger one on the inside, and one on the right. I'm also going to add a shadow across the bottom of the visor, starting on the left, go across, and then bend that up. Now let's draw the hand holding a knife on the right side. We start up here, curve up, and then bend the thumb coming down. We'll round up the tip of the thumb and pull that back up. Let's add the edge of the palm, coming down and then hooking that in. Now we're going to wrap 3 fingers around the handle, starting from the outside of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out, and then in, move down towards the bottom, do that again. Just going to tuck it up underneath the thumb, And we'll do that one more time. Now the bottom of the handle is going to come down underneath the bottom finger. We'll start with 2 straight lines. Close off the bottom with a curve. And we'll go back to the inside of the thumb, curve the hand coming around, and then bend that out in behind the handle. Let's add the hilt on top of the hand. Starting from the top finger, draw a straight line going out, go straight up, and pull that in just on top of the thumb, and pull that straight down. And now we're going to add in the blade. On the left side we'll step in, draw a straight line going all the way up toward the tip of the knife. We'll bend the blade going out, down, and in. Let's add some blood coming down the tip of the blade. Starting from the outside, come down, bend that up, draw a small curve on the inside, come straight down, and then bend that out. Let's add a spot in the center of the blade. And that's pretty much it. There's the corpse husband skin from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.